Okay, here's a quick tutorial for those of you needing to change your alarm.com password. Not all that uncommon to lose them. However, your dealer can send you a password reset, or you can do it yourself. You can simply go to on your computer, log into alarm.com. And now just remember, if you're going to change the password, it will need to ultimately be changed on all the devices that you use to log in and out of. When you go to alarm.com, on the top right here, click on login. Typically, all of your credentials will come in over here, where it'll auto-populate your username and your password. If you need to change your username, please contact your dealer. If not, you do not need your dealer's help to log in. You can literally come over here. You can click on Login Help, and then where it says Login Help, you can make the changes from here. You can enter your username, and then you can submit if that's all that you know, but you can say you forgot your username, and you can enter your email address as well. Pretty simple to get to, but if you don't know, you don't know. Just remember, most everything that you do can be done straight from the alarm.com customer portal by logging in from a computer. Hope this helps.